In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your documents with OneDrive for Business in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to OneDrive, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First up, the quickest way to get started is by using File Explorer. Open up your File Explorer and navigate to your local files. Now, select the document that you want to sync. With OneDrive, simply dragging and dropping the file into a OneDrive sync folder can do the trick. This method is straightforward and works well for individual files or relatively small batches. If you need a workaround for larger sets of data or more complex folder structures, a more advanced method involves using symbolic links. These links allow you to sync entire folders from your computer to OneDrive without having to duplicate files. Sounds great, right? To utilize this method, we'll need to get a little technical. You'll want to open Command Prompt as an administrator to get started. To do this, search for CMD in the Windows search bar. When the command prompt appears in the results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will ensure that we have the necessary permissions to create symbolic links. Once you have Command Prompt open, you'll use the mklink command. It's a powerful command that helps create symbolic links between folders. Here's how you do it. Type mklink followed by a space, then D, another space, and then 2 folder paths enclosed in quotation marks. The first set of quotes is the path to your OneDrive folder, and the second set is the path to the local folder you wish to sync. This effectively tells your computer these 2 locations should mimic each other's contents. Remember to replace the placeholders in the command with your actual OneDrive folder path and your actual local folder path. Take your time to ensure accuracy here, as getting the paths right is crucial for this step to work effectively. Once you've completed this process, your document or even entire folder will sync with OneDrive as if it was stored directly in your OneDrive directory. And there you have it, a reliable way to sync all your important documents with OneDrive for Business. Following these steps ensures your files are always backed up in the cloud and accessible from anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Happy syncing!